So Johanna, I'll start with you. Just give me a bit of background. Who is Groundbreakers?
So Groundbreakers is a up-and-coming company. We supply washed sand, quality washed sand to the construction industry, concrete industry, and we also do on-site screening, we do plant hire, we do site cleanups, various different businesses in the construction industry.
Yep. You guys have been together for 3 years, but you are also high school buddies.
Yes.
But in business, you've been together for 3 years. How has it been going so far?
It's very challenging, of course. I mean, in the industry that we are in now, it is challenging. I mean, mining isn't an easy game. We have our ups and downs, but we always get through it. And that's what we always do. We've got the end goal in mind. That's the important thing. So always just focusing on the end goal and standing together. And even if we don't agree on something, we'll at the end of the day have an answer.
And I think in a difficult economy, you have to think outside of the box, think of new ways to do old things, and use the technology that's available to maximize your output and your profits.
Speaking of new technologies, you guys have just purchased one of the 2 combos available in South Africa. How has that changed the face of your business?
So basically it took us from an old bucket wheel to implementing cyclone technology. We've basically tripled our output while still input costs would remain the same. So in terms of that, the profitability went up quite drastically, and put us in a position to branch out into different markets, because now we're selling a better quality sand, and just opened up a new whole market for us.
Speaking of the volumes, you mentioned that you have tripled your production capacity. What sort of volumes were you doing with the old bucket system, and what sort of volumes are you doing now with the CDE technology?
Yeah, 20 tons is a rough estimate. I mean, we had a lot of breakdowns and stoppages with the old bucket wheel. Currently now we're doing about 60 to 70 tons an hour with the new plant. So automatically already it's doubled 3 times. So it went up 3 times just by this plant alone. But we were producing 3,000, 4,000 tons of river sand a month, and currently we're doing about 12,000. So it's definitely a big improvement from that side.
And we're recovering a lot of sellable products that would have gone to our settling ponds, and actually now we're using that in our production line, and to also increase our volumes.
And another big gain of this new technology also is the water. Just tell me more about it. What sort of savings are you seeing compared to the old system?
So the big thing is that with the thickener tank, the AquaCycle, we're recovering 90% of the water and reusing it in the system. So there's not a continuous need to pump fresh water into the washing process.
The water demand is the same. So for the plant, I mean, it's because you have to, if you want to wash 1 cube of sand, you have to have 2 cubes of water. So the plant just interacts with it, because you have this fresh water supply now with the flocculant taking out the water. So the water demand is the same, the old plants and the new. The thing is the recovery system, that's where it comes into effect.
And also you don't have the continuous pumping, which means in terms of energy, kilowatts, rand and cents, you're saving quite a considerable amount of money by recovering the water.
So the quarrying industry traditionally has always been a stubborn industry that believes in its old ways. What is your message to this industry when it comes to uptake of new technologies?
Don't be scared. Technology isn't the enemy. I'm one of those old guys that say fixing a truck engine, that's basic. They don't want to go from that. Was always scared of the electrical wires and stuff that's in your way. An engine is still an engine. It's just got a few extra wires to it. It's not the end of the world. But there's people and ways to fix it, and it works much longer and much more effective. From my side, definitely.
We can't afford not to embrace the technology. You're going to stay behind. I mean, the quality of sand that's being produced with this cyclone technology is far superior to what any bucket wheel can do. So at the end of the day, you're going to fall behind. You're going to find yourself at the bottom end of the market. So you have to move with the times, and it comes at a cost, but you recover that cost quite quickly if you're doing it right.
Thanks a lot, guys. All the best. Definitely will come back at some point.
Thank
Great.
you. It's been good. Thanks.
Appreciate it.